Hey everyone! Today, we're walking through how to install the Glad client on Tlauncher using the updated method for 2025. We'll break this down step by step so you can do it quickly and easily. First, make sure you have the latest version of Tlauncher installed on your computer. Then head over the official Glad client download page and grab the newest release. Once the file is downloaded, open Tlauncher, and in the launcher settings, select the TL mods option. From there, import the Glad client file you downloaded into Tlauncher's mod manager. Make sure you enable it, then save your settings. After that, launch Minecraft directly from Tlauncher with the Glad client enabled. If everything was done correctly, you'll see Glad client options available inside your game menu. The best part about this updated method is that it reduces crashes compared to older installs, and it works with the latest Minecraft updates. It's also more beginner friendly since you don't need to manually move files into your Minecraft folder anymore. So whether you're installing for better performance or extra features, this updated method makes it quick and hassle-free. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.